Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Antisocial Social Club Kkoch Hoodie. I think that's how you pronounce it. Black medium. So just got this. Let's see. StockX verified, no tag. Guess they put a sticker on this now, but that's a little funny that it's not a tag anymore. Here's what the hoodie tag looks like. Antisocial Social Club. Let's see. What does it say here? Okay, some label here. Goes away. All right, cool. Let's get to it. So, this is a very popular hoodie. A lot of people have it, I know. It says Antisocial Social Club on the front left. It's thin hoodie. It is thin. Okay, I'm curious now to see what this says. Everyone goes away in the end. Everyone goes away in the end. Yep, doesn't matter. Enjoy your life now, guys. It's all temporary. Everything you own is temporary. All borrowed. All right, here's the back. The iconic butterflies, flowers, Antisocial Social Club. Yeah, cool. That's pretty much it. Nothing else on the sleeves. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this hoodie in the comment section. And hope you're all doing well. Catch you all for the next unboxing video. Take care, everyone. Later.